Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can merge cells in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we can start on a new project, or we can use an older project that we've already been working on. For this video, however, I'm going to start with a new project. So click here, then scroll down and click on Grid. Now, first things first, Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in function of merging cells. However, we have a workaround if we want to join the contents of two cells into one cell. So how can we do that? First, on the first cell, let's type in work. And on the second cell, let's type in space. Now, if I want these two words to be joined in one cell, but I want to type them in two separate cells, what I can do is to click on another cell, type equals, and then select Control on your keyboard and click on the first cell, and then click on plus on your keyboard, and then Control, and then click on the second cell. Click enter, and then as you can see, the contents of these two cells has been joined into one. But how about if I want to make a space between them? Again, on another cell, type equals, Control, first cell, then plus, then type in these symbols, and then plus again, and then hold Control, and then click on the another cell, then click on enter. And as you can see, there is now a space between them. This is the workaround that we can use since Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in merge cell function. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!